Welcome back to the Art of Laziness channel, and here today we're going to talk about how to become super efficient using Gmail. Now, most of us use Gmail, well, pretty much every single day, and unfortunately, it's pretty sad that very few of us use the inbuilt shortcuts that are available in Gmail. And if you learn how to use this, you can be super efficient and really save a lot of time just clicking around. So without further ado, stop being a noob, stop clicking around, and here we go. Step 1, the first thing you really got to do is turn on the shortcuts notification. So here we go. Go to settings, see all settings, scroll down, and you're going to see this here, keyboard shortcuts, and turn it on. Save changes, and now your shortcuts should be enabled. The first shortcut we're going to talk about is, of course, how to compose a new mail. So you have Gmail opened on your Chrome, and all you need to do is press C to compose a new mail, and here you go. And you can just start typing and press tab for next. And now that we have a new composer open, if you want to navigate around it, you can just press tab. So type in your recipient, go to tab, you go to subject, and if you press tab again, you go to send. And then you can press command enter if you're using a Mac, or just control enter if you're using Windows. That should save you some time there. Now, how do you navigate around your inbox? So first of all, you're on the first one. You see that it's highlighted. If you want to open, just press O or enter. So you can think about it as open. You press O, so you go into it, or you press enter. And if you want to go back to the inbox, press U. A shortcut to remember that is unopen. So again, O to open, U to go back to the inbox. If you want to navigate to the next email down the list, you need to press J. As you can see, if you're going down, and again, you want to open or go back. If you want to go to the previous one, you can press K to go up the list. Now, let's say you have opened a conversation by pressing O, and you want to navigate through them. So you can press N for next. You can see that my latest one is highlighted, and next you can press previous to go to the previous conversation. So navigate through the conversation by pressing next, N for next, or P for previous. And if you want to open an older one, navigate to it and just press enter, and it's going to open the next one. Now, let's say you've opened an email and you want to send it directly to trash. So navigate to it, open, and if you want to send it to trash, just press Shift 3, or you want to actually activate the hash number. So Shift 3, that sends it directly to trash. If you want to open an email and then realize that you want to mark it as unread, then press Shift U. So that's unread. Shift U. So let's say you want to open only the emails that are starred. So like I said before, you can navigate and press S to star it, or S again to unstar it. And now you want to look at only your starred emails. So you can do that by pressing G and S. So first press G and then press S. So you can say Gmail starred, and it's going to open up all of them. And if you want to go back to your inbox, press G and I. So Gmail inbox, and it shows you everything again. Now, let's say you want to move to your drafts. So you can press G and D, and it's going to take you to your drafts. And again, you can navigate by pressing up and down, or J and K. And if you want to go back to your inbox, you press G and I, and you're back. Now, if you want to do a search, all you need to do is press the / key to go directly to the search bar. Now, you want to navigate between your different tabs, between primary, social, promotion, updates. All you need to do is press the tilde key. At least I hope that's what it's called. I mean, who the fuck knows, right? But this key here, so I have an image for you. So press this and you can go to the different tabs. Now, one of the most important, so if you forget any of these, all you can do is press the question mark. So in my case, it's shift, and you can see all the shortcuts right here. And this should help you navigate more if you want to look at it even more deeply. But the ones that I've shown here are the ones that I use on a daily basis, and it's what most people use on a daily basis, and I think that it's going to make you super productive. Now you want to get even more productive and you're struggling with procrastination, well, check out The Art of Laziness, the Lazy Man's Guide to Productivity. It's simple steps that you can take to improve your productivity, get things done, beat laziness. These are simple steps that helped me as a serial procrastinator, and I'm definitely sure that it's going to help you as well. It's super cheap and a super easy, light read. So check it out. If you want to spend a few minutes on a simple course on productivity, check out the master course on how to beat procrastination here on Udemy. That's it for now. Please press the like button. If share it with your friends, because this might really help you shave off, let's say, on an average, 5 minutes, 10 minutes just clicking around. So that's gonna add up to a lot of time. So save yourself some time, save your friends some time, share it with your friends, press the like button, and subscribe for more videos on how to be more productive and more efficient in your day-to-day work.